we're running a little bit hot tonight. I can barely see the road from the heat coming on. Reach down.
Guys, welcome back. It's Rob from It's a Dyer Thing. Beautiful sunny Saturday afternoon. On that last video that I posted up to you guys, which was on Friday the 13th, that was a fantastic day. It was absolutely gorgeous. We had a lot of fun there, checking out some pretty cool stuff and whatnot. As of Saturday, the following day, I went just a couple of, not too far, a couple of kilometers away from where I live, down to my work area. And unfortunately, that Saturday morning running down, got into a collision with a car. So it was unfortunate. I mean, again, you know, you gotta, just telling you all out there just to play safe. I mean, regardless, you know, how safe we are and how much you predict and how much you think you know drivers and vice versa. Yeah, you don't. So I'm very blessed to be here still and all in one piece, just healing up. So it's been a week later, so not so bad. Yeah, as much as there might be some haters out there saying about cagers, aka cars and drivers and all that, and how they're so bad, not necessarily. There's a lot, an equal amount of bikers out there too that I find that definitely do some you know, stupid things. So just saying, everybody, for all of you, just share the road, play safe, be safe, stay as visible as you can when it comes to riding, because this was broad daylight. So no hatred here, no anger. It is what it is. The bike is definitely a write-off, so you won't be seeing that one anymore for the rest of the summer, that's for sure. So being said that, I did go take a look at it today. I mean, I finally managed to gather up some courage and go and see what it was like, just to you know, get some documentations, as I've been documenting myself in regards to pictures and stuff like that of my injuries. Again, no broken bones, so I'm really lucky. So other than that, just guys, be safe out there. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, anything that you guys want to see in regards to Yamaha and what I do over at Yamaha, or any of the accessories and bikes itself, jot it down. I would love to hear from you. I'll always respond back as best as I can. Again, we are not here to be hating on anybody, so please, let's keep that good. Just waiting on insurance. That's the only thing that takes forever, unfortunately. I guess they've been pretty busy for over the past few weeks, from what I heard. So other than that, yeah, just gotta wait, and we'll see what happens. And again, I'm not at fault, so I'm gonna be fully covered, and I'll fight it until the bone, because I want absolutely everything, from the bike to every accessory that was on it, is going to be paid. I don't care how they get it or how they do it, it will be paid for. So there's quite a bit on there, as you've seen from all my other videos and stuff like that. So other than that, that's it, guys. So I'll give you kind of like a little run through as I was checking out the bike. So that'll be a separate video just tied on to this one here. And oh, peace out, guys. Be safe. All right, bye. Wow, there's all the bits. There's the there's my It's a Dyer Thing channel. So, oh yeah, look at the front end, eh? So we're pretty much let's see, we got, oh yeah, that's grooved. That's not even on the paint. That's grooved right in. Here, look. The forks are crooked.
Look, all your wires.
It's chopped away.
Look.
Yeah. Oh,
wires are cut.
There's a lot of frame, a lot of damage there.
This is all busted.
Yep.
This whole piece is gone. This whole piece.
Yeah, those
gone.
are plastic. That's not so bad.
No, this is metal.
Oh, that's metal.
That's
the oh, let's get a picture of that. Here, a video of a picture of a video. Picture video. The rad is toast. Yeah. Oh, here. I just moved myself over into video here. So we got the frame. Multiple marks on the frame. Yeah, that piece right there, that's crazy, man. That the bike definitely did some rolls, did some flips for sure. Oh my god, the exhaust, oh, it's hard to tell. Oh, stupid thing, I can't get it to set. Oh yeah, the engine mount, the frame here as well.
The back of the bike doesn't have to be bad. No, the back of the bike's fine.
Yeah, no, it all hit from the side here, right? So this is where they came into contact with me. So it's right there. Huh?
You would have survived, but you would have been.
Yeah, are you crazy? You hit that? Yeah, like it's cut, it's grooved in. You can see right there, it's grooved.
It would have flung you that way.
That's a big groove in. That's being shaped. That's being all warped. So that's messed. Rad is crushed. Oh, what else do we got on anything on this side?
No, nothing.
No, it's just all the side of the impact, eh? Huh?
Couple scratches.
Yeah, a whole lot of bird shit. Yeah, the exhaust. Oh my god. So, no, you can see like this is all, yeah, that frame, that accessory is all bent in. So the engine guard is bent in. The exhaust definitely has some marks on the underside of it. So that's been warped, it's been twisted. Oh my god, my hand guards, heated grips. Oh look, the controller there. Probably the only accessory that's still good is probably my X clamp and my USB. One light is gone. Bits and pieces here. So yeah, play safe. Honestly, that's what it's. The seat. How about the seat? Oh, the seat's all warped. The tank is all banked. There's dented. That's bumped. So wonder if the handlebars are probably crooked as well. They've definitely been subject to. Oh yeah, you can see everything is twisted around. Everything is banged. Fuck, man, this bike is toast. Seriously. Oh my god. Oh shit. The back part isn't so bad, but the frame has been compromised. So once the frame is compromised, that's it. Nothing can get done. You can't fix anything. It's all twisted up anyways. There's all sorts of stuff. Shit. So yeah, guess what I was doing last Saturday? Playing at the hospital. Still playing. All right. Anyways, peace out, guys. Ciao. Yep. Give me a sec. I'm just getting some pictures. Oh. Damn. That really sucks. Now it's the dark side of poopy Japan with all the seagull poops on it. Yeah. Shit, that frame is really, really bad. Oh, the forks too, eh? Fuck. Fork. Oh, my back. Christ's sake, eh? Anyways, could have been a whole lot worse, I can tell you. Could have been a whole lot worse than that. So, shit, whatever. All right, let's update our profiles and update our stuff. What are you doing, Boogie?
Dancing.
You're scrapyard dancing? Seriously? Oh my God, look at that. That's a fire, man. There's a fire! There's a fire! Yeah, but you don't know what happened to that one there either, right? So it's kind of sucky. There's a little Fiat, half off. No? That's a
That looks like somebody's butt.
it's crash deal, man. Crash deal. No. Oh, yeah, eh? Could be something. No, because that came in from that way. Ow, ow, ow. Anyways. Be safe out there, guys.